Welcome. Another chance to improve your English today. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. Full biography of Taylor Swift. From a Christmas tree farm to a global star. Childhood and teenage years. Taylor Allison Swift was born on December 13, 1989, in Reading, Pennsylvania, USA. She spent her childhood on her family's Christmas tree farm. Her father, Scott Swift, was a stockbroker. Her mother, Andrea, was a homemaker and a former marketing manager. Taylor has a younger brother named Austin, who is an actor. Taylor loved music from a young age. Her grandmother was an opera singer and inspired her a lot. At age 9, Taylor started performing in local shows. At 11, she sang the national anthem at a basketball game. When she was 12, she learned to play guitar from a computer repairman and wrote her first song, Lucky You. She also won a national poetry contest with a poem called Monster in My Closet. At 14, her family moved to Nashville, Tennessee, to help her music career. That same year, Taylor signed a contract with Sony/ATV and became the youngest songwriter in that company. Start of her music career. At 16, Taylor released her first studio album, called Taylor Swift. It was a big success. Her song, Our Song, made her the youngest country artist to reach #1 on the Hot Country Songs chart. In 2008, her second album, Fearless, came out. It became very popular worldwide. One of the songs, You Belong With Me, won the MTV Award for Best Female Video in 2009. Artistic and career success. Taylor has released 11 studio albums. All of them reached #1 on the charts. Some of her most famous albums are Fearless, Red, 1989, Reputation, Lover, Folklore, Evermore, Midnight's 2022, most streamed album in 24 hours on Spotify. The Tortured Poets Department 2024, over 300 million streams in one day. She has won many awards, including 12 Grammy Awards, 4 times Album of the Year, a record, 29 Billboard Awards, 11 MTV Awards, 58 Guinness World Records, including most viewed music video with Shake It Off. Wealth and business. In 2024, Taylor Swift became a billionaire with a net worth of $1.1 billion, according to Forbes. Most of her money comes from her Eras tour, concert film sales, real estate investments, and brand deals. She also fights for artists' rights. In 2015, she removed her music from Spotify to protest unfair payment policies for musicians. Personal life. Taylor is known for dating famous people like Joe Jonas, Harry Styles, Tom Hiddleston, Joe Alwyn, and recently Travis Kelce. She often writes songs about her personal experiences, which helps her connect deeply with her fans. Fun and lesser-known facts. Her favorite number is 13, and she uses it on her clothes and in concerts. She learned guitar at age 12 from a computer repairman. She became famous in 2009 with the song Tim McGraw. In 2018, she supported Democratic candidates for the first time. She grew up on a Christmas tree farm. Conclusion. Taylor Swift has become a symbol of modern culture. Her music talent, honest songwriting, hard work, and social views have made her one of the most important artists of the 21st century. From a small farm in Pennsylvania to huge stadiums full of fans, her journey is truly amazing, and it's still going. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.